Have you ever waited for a website to load so slowly that you had time to make a coffee? Or a YouTube video that buffered just when the most interesting part was about to begin? Internet on your smartphone is not just a matter of convenience. Sometimes it's about something critical, like a digital boarding pass before a flight or a radar in stormy weather. The good news is that Android offers several built-in first aid solutions that you can implement yourself without waiting for technical support or changing carriers. First, airplane mode. It's not just for flights. It sounds paradoxical, but enabling airplane mode can actually speed up your internet. The solution: turn on airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. This will make your device reconnect. In many cases, the result is a more stable connection and faster internet. And all this with a single tap on the little airplane icon. Second, clear the cache. This simple step can speed up not only the internet connection, but also the device itself. How to clear it? Through the browser. Open your preferred browser, go to the menu, select History, and then Clear Data or Clear Cache. Or through Android settings, go to Settings, then Applications. Select a specific application like Instagram, Facebook, or your browser. Then tap Storage and Clear Cache. Here is an expert tip. If you often experience delays in the internet connection on your Android smartphone, it is recommended to apply these two practices at least once a week. Combined with keeping the operating system updated and avoiding suspicious Wi-Fi networks, they will significantly improve the overall speed and stability of the connection. From a technical perspective, clearing the cache frees up RAM and reduces the CPU load. Airplane mode effectively simulates a warm reboot of the network connection, something mobile carriers often use for diagnostics. If all this sounds too simple, remember, sometimes the best solutions are the ones we underestimate.